Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix HP Victus black screen. So let's get started. First of all, plug in your charger and basically turn on your computer. If that doesn't help, what you'll need to do is hold on these buttons. So hold on Ctrl Shift plus B, and that should beep and make a graphics card reset. If this combination doesn't work for your computer, what you can do is actually hold on Windows Ctrl Shift plus B, and that should do this combination. And if that doesn't help you, what you can try is by connecting an external monitor. So here is the HDMI port. Basically take HDMI cable and plug into second monitor if you have one, and then check if your main display is dead or not. So if the second monitor is going to work, that means your second display is not working properly. So that's the solutions how you can fix this black screen issue. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.